Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find the battery section. Let's tap on it. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got this option battery percentage. Probably in your case it is turned off, so you've got only the battery indicator, and all you have to do is to tap on the switcher to apply the percentage inside the battery icon. This is the only option which is available here, but that's okay, we still have the exact battery percentage on the status bar. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.